Tata is trying to make electric vehicles more accessible by offering more choices to the customers and embracing green mobility. So, they are converting their successful existing models to electric vehicles. They have already launched Nexon EV and will be launching Altroz EV in December 2021. And right now, there is a new compact sedan creating a lot of buzz in the market, which is also an electric vehicle. Yes, that is the Tata Tiggo EV. So, let's find out quickly with 10 things why you should buy this car. Tigor is a competent EV package at an affordable starting price. Zero tailpipe emissions and green image will definitely appeal to environmentally conscious people. Real world range of 200 kilometers is adequate for city commutes and urban dwellers. It offers a stupendously cheap power cost of 1 rupee per kilometer. You can feel the peppy behavior in S mode, and it also can be energy efficient in D mode. Sorted road manners due to the low center of gravity and firmer suspension. Smooth drive, no gears, light controls and compact size make it an ideal city car. Well-designed interiors are likable and user-friendly. Tigor carries few features like the 8-speaker Harman audio system, projector headlamps, connected car tech and more. Solid build and construction. It holds a 4-star global NCAP safety rating, which is commendable. So, those are the 10 things why you should buy this car. Now let's move on to the things that you should look out for. It is 5 lakh rupees more expensive than the Tiggo petrol automatic. Nexon EV is superior and not that far away in terms of pricing. 200km range means this is strictly a city car. It is not suitable for long highway runs. Stiffer suspension than the regular Tiggo, which means you feel more of the bad roads. You can't touch the top speed of 120 km per hour after crossing 100 km range continuously. It has a smaller boot of 316 liters compared to regular Tiggo's 419 liters, which is due to the intrusive spare tire. There are some misses such as P mode on the shifter, adjustable regeneration braking and alloy wheels. This is a rare Tata car that cannot seat 5 people. It is best suited for 4 adults. Tata's after-sales service quality is not up to the mark compared to the other brands. It is a brand new technology, so there can be unknown issues and niggles. So, these are the things that you should be considering before buying the 2021 Tata Tiggo EV. If you would like to watch more videos from us, please subscribe to AutoShare India and also press the bell icon to get notified on our new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.